Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain how to recover the Google Play Store on an Android phone. The Google Play Store allows Android phones to download a wide variety of apps, and it's become an essential part of our lives. Not only does it download apps, it also updates all apps and protects your Android phone. But if you accidentally deleted the Google Play Store, you might wonder how to get it back if you deleted it from your Android device. If so, try all the methods in the video. There's definitely a way to reinstall the deleted Google Play Store on an Android phone. This video is suitable for phones from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Typically, the Google Play Store may only be removed from the home screen and not completely deleted unless your Android device is rooted. However, most users don't know if the Google Play Store app is still on their phone. To check or restore a deleted Google Play Store app on an Android device, you can try the following solutions one by one. We've compiled a few simple and quick methods that we hope will help you resolve your issue. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1. Restore from settings. The Google Play Store may simply disappear from the home screen or be disabled, but the source files may still exist on your Android device. To reinstall the Google Play Store on your Android phone, go to Settings, find and check the Google Play Store status. Here are the steps. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and tap apps. On the app screen, scroll down to find or search for Play Store. On the Play Store details screen, check if the app status is disabled. If so, tap Enable. This will restore the Google Play Store that you accidentally deleted from your Android phone. Method 2. Download the APK and reinstall it. If you've rooted your phone or the Play Store has completely disappeared from your Android phone, you can also download the APK and reinstall it. This is the second solution to restore the Play Store app on your Android phone. When downloading the APK, be sure to choose a reliable source, otherwise your Android phone may encounter other unknown issues. If you don't know how to download, you can search Google to find a safe and reliable download source. After the download is successful, install the Play Store APK. If possible, we recommend restarting your phone. You should then be able to use the Play Store normally. Method 3 is to perform a factory reset to restore the Play Store. On most Android phones, the Play Store is pre-installed. If your Play Store is completely gone, you can also try a factory reset to restore the accidentally deleted Google Play Store. However, a factory reset will delete all data on your phone. If you need your data, be sure to back it up before performing a factory reset. Otherwise, all data will be lost. To recover when the Google Play Store app is deleted from an Android phone, follow these steps. First, go to your phone's settings, then General Management. On the General Management screen, find Reset. Tap Reset, then find and tap Factory Data Reset. Your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently. Once the reset process is complete, your phone will restart and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. Once completed, the Play Store will be restored and you can use it normally. Method 4 involves visiting a brand store. If a factory reset still doesn't resolve the Google Play Store disappearance issue on your Android phone, you can take your phone to a brand store and have a professional technician help you restore the Google Play Store. Finally, we hope your Android phone issue is resolved quickly and perfectly. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know which method helped you resolve the issue in the comments section. If you think we can improve, please share your feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.